This portion of the news is brought to you by Sun Oil Limited, fueling growth for people.
A one-day geriatric symposium to raise public awareness on the importance of mental health in older persons took place at the St. Francis St. Joseph Catholic grounds. Nearly 200 older persons and representatives from Sandilands Rehabilitation and the Ministry of Health attended the symposium. Pan American Health Organization officials estimate that 20% of adults over the age of 60 suffer from various mental illnesses. Chairman of the Public Hospitals Authority Board, Senator Frank Smith, says his administration plans to make some major improvements to the delivery and the quality of mental health care services currently being provided to thousands of Bahamians.
We are going to bolster the community aspect of it through the community clinics. We've also determined that we are going to relocate to significantly improve facilities for delivery of health care for several key delivery arms for the population, and we have already engaged in this process. We have identified a place, and we are now going over the finer points of the merits of that particular location.
Minister of Social Services and Community Development Melanie Griffin says this symposium is a timely one as it will educate Bahamians about the impact of mental health in older persons and how to deal with the illness head-on.
Services has a unit, Health Social Services, that works within the Princess Margaret Hospital as well as Sandilands Rehabilitation Center. And you know, there are concerns, of course, of particularly the elderly, which is the focus of this mental health day this year, and how those persons are treated. How we're concerned that people understand, you know, what they're going through, particularly in terms of their mental health, and people also understand that they are indeed, many of them, functional, and how to deal with that. We just need to listen to them.
About 20 law students got some priceless advice from one of the country's top legal minds. Students of the Eugene DePeach Law School got a private audience with Chief Justice Sir Michael Barnett last week. The visit proved an invaluable experience for the budding lawyers as they took the opportunity to discuss a wide range of relevant legal topics with the Chief Justice. They got first-hand advice as they prepared to enter the legal profession.
He spoke in detail about his experiences in bar school, courses, the importance of study groups, and just the overall study and pleasure you get from studying law and the service that we pay to the community. We are involved in outreach every year. We have a portion in our program called Legal Week, where we reach out to the community and give information on our program. We also host panel discussions. We intend to have one in January on the implementation of VAT, just as a service to the community.
Residents of the Pinewood constituency afforded the opportunity to learn how to effectively become small business owners. The Pinewood constituency business workshop officially starts next weekend at the Cleveland Ineas Primary School. However, workshop facilitator Mark Turnquist spoke with our news team about his plans.
We are now conducting a small business research, how to determine the needs of small businesses. We will be using that information and how do we must close on the Small Business Act and how we're going to develop what I call a Small Business Development Agency, which is SMEDA. It will be the same concept like the Small Business Agency in the States, where you will provide funding, training, accounting support, and marketing support.
Coming up, softball and swimming in ZNS Total Sports. Charles Fisher with the full rundown. You're watching the Bahamas Tonight.